Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics from the topic functions. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get all these questions? So you need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academic Adda. Under academic Adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay friends, one more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay friends, so coming back to the given problem, what is given here? We have to obtain the graph of gx equal to 1 by x plus 5 minus 2 from the graph of fx equal to 1 by x. So how we can obtain using transformation of graphs? Okay, see the functions given here are, so the basic functions which we need to use to obtain the graph of gx is fx, and fx is given as fx equal to 1 by x, and the graph which we need to obtain is of the function gx equal to 1 divided by x plus 5 minus 2. Okay, and we know if c is any positive real number, then the graph of fx plus c is the graph of y equal to fx when it is shifted by c units. Or in other words, we can say that if the graph of y equal to fx is shifted by c units, then we will get the graph of fx plus c. Okay, this need to be shifted towards the left. So the graph of hx equal to 1 by x plus 5, that is, this is the first term. Okay, so hx equal to 1 by x plus 5 can be obtained from the graph by shifting it to the left by 5 units. Okay, because here c is positive and also here 5 is positive. So when it is shifted, graph of fx is shifted by 5 units to the left, then we will get the graph of hx, and hx here is 1 by x plus 5. Now if you see the function gx, here gx equal to hx minus 2, right? So hx minus 2, now if you see the basic graph, so if k is a positive real number, then hx minus k is the graph of y equal to hx, and when it is shifted downward by k units. Or in other words, we can say if the graph of y equal to hx is shifted downward by k units, then we will obtain the graph of hx minus k, that will be equal to gx, right? So here our function gx equal to hx minus 2 or 1 by x plus 5 minus 2, this can be obtained from the graph of hx equal to 1 by x plus 5 by shifting the graph downward by 2 units. Okay, hence if we combine both the steps, the graph of gx can be obtained from the graph of fx by shifting the graph left 5 units and then downward by 2 units. Okay friends, so we have discussed one important problem from the topic transformation of graphs. Okay, thank you.